A moment is just a minute, a point of time, an instant. In these past couple of years, in a burst, life has changed the way we know it. Expected became unpredictable. Familiar became different. Fast became slow. Mixing up our life as we know it, infusing it with new meanings. In a splash, priorities were reshuffled for us to focus on what is important, for us to look deeper within ourselves, look around us and understand what really matters, who really matters, because with them, a moment becomes eternity.